Twinpossible. You're a grand old flag, you're a high-flying flag, and forever in peace may you wave. Ever love, the land I love, the whole world just forget the bay. Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, and it never goes your breath. Oh, the acquaintance we forgot. Keep your eye on the grand old flag.
Salute!
Okay, let's sing. Okay.
All right, this way, this way.
Let's go.
This way, Allie.
Wait. Okay. You're a grand old flag. You're a high flying. Okay. You say, can he see? And the night is seen.
What? Wait, no. No, how about you do... No.
My father's eyes.
Sing it over here. I can't get that far. It's too far. Come on. Come back. I can't hear you. No, come this way. Oy vey. The lunatics are loose. I didn't hear that other song. Do a Pledge Allegiance. What did that have to do with America? You're too high flying. Come here. Okay. Salute and dab.
You're a grand old flag. You're a high flying flag. And forever. The land I love, the home of the freedom of brave. Every heart beats true under red, white, and blue, and there's never ghost or wrath. What are you looking at?
What are you looking at? You guys. Salute.
And split.
Salute and dab. No, you have to have your hand on your heart. One. Annie, one.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which stands one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You're a grand old flag, Allie, backhand spring, and forever in peace may you wave. You go there, and I go there, 'cause I'm the boss. You never saw do right up a kiss ring.
Yes, not there. You're the boss.
You're a grand old flag. You're the emblem acquaintance be forgot. Keep your eye on the grand old flag. And play. You're a grand old flag. You're a high-flying flag. And forever in peace may you wave. You're the emblem of the land I love. The home of the free and the brave. Every heart beats to red, white, and blue. And then
Oh, no, no.
go storm.
Not again.
Oh, look like this be forgot. Keep your eye on the grand old flag.
You made the birds fly away. Get down before Dad sees you.
Dun, 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 dun. You're a grand old flag. You're a high-flying flag. And forever.
Oh my God.
Wave.
Okay, we got one smart one. And one wacko, one that's gonna get me in a lot of trouble one day. Oh my God.
That was high. And the red, white, and blue, and the dark red. Should all acquaintance get me a flag? Get me a flag,
Please.
please. Keep your eye on the grand old absolute. But the first thing I wanna do is, you know what I wanna, Kayla.
Yes, where is Kayla? Where is Kayla? Okay, Allie, before Dad kills you. No, no, no. Get down, get down, get down, Annie. Be the good girl. Get down, get down.
Rich!
Oh, you want him to see you?
You're a grand old flag. You're a Rich!
He's gonna kill you.
Rich!
He's gonna yell at you.
Rich!
Let me help you down. You're breaking the flags. Come on. I love that you're patriotic. You're very patriotic and you're very animated.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
No, no, no. No.
What you gonna do when they come for you?
It's the opposite. It's what you're gonna do when they come for you. And that has nothing to do, well, it's America, but it's every country.
My name is Addie and I'm here to say happy Mother's Day.
4th of July Day.
It's the last day. Hey, squat.
Okay.
Woo! Hollywood.
Hollywood.
My name is Annie and I'm here to say happy 4th of July Day.
Come on, let's see.
My name is Michaela and I'm here to say happy 4th of July Day.
Yeah, you can see teenagers just really want to get involved.
My name is Annie and I'm here to say happy 4th of July Day.
4th of July Day.
I'm joking. And our necklaces. Our necklaces. We always have to.
I wish Michaela would be a little more involved. This is a little.
My name is Daddy P and I'm here to say happy 4th of July Day.
My name is Mama Pete and I'm here to say happy 4th of July Day.
My name is Michaela and I'm here to say happy 4th of July
Day.
Day.
Happy 4th of July
from
Day.
Twinpossible. Look in the spirit. Say hi to the police. They're blocking the roads for us. Really? That's not how you were acting before, you crazy kids. Okay, we're on our way. Do 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 do.
Happy 4th of July.
Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Say happy 4th of July, Michaela. Can't even hear you. All right, guys, we're going. We're almost there to our spot to watch the show. What's wrong, Lee? Let's see that dress for 2 seconds.
Why?
Doesn't it look nice? If they had it in my size, I would have wore it.
No.
Oh God, we gotta go. We are here at the festivities. Annie's the only one sticking with me. Okay, I spoke too soon. Now they're looking for fireflies. Can't blame kids for that. Getting a little crazy, so I'll be back with some fireworks. You see any more? See any? Flies. I see a bunch of light up things. You gonna go for it? What are you gonna do? A split and a round up back handspring and a split. A little sloppy, but she nails the split, so it's all good. That's a little much. The bull would really have to get supercharged. Can she do it, folks? Can she do it? Here, the shoes are coming off. The shoes are coming off. What will she do? The shoes are off. Go ahead, Lee. Go ahead. Stop! You're going too far. Rich, she's gonna knock into people. I can't believe no one's playing some music. I liked it better when they play music. Go, Lee. Go this way so I can see you. I can't see you back there. Allie. All right. Good listening. You're just a blur. I don't know. She's just a blur now. I can see her, but not well. She can't be behind all these people. She's gonna run into somebody. Well, it would have been nice to see it. I couldn't see though. No, not that way, Allie. Ooh, she did it. Wow, Lena, your first times I saw you do that on the ground. Wow. Lee, do that and round off back handspring. Wow. Do that round off back handspring. That'd be cool. It looked good, but I can't see because it's blurrying up.
No, not 4th of July. When the fireworks were going off here. Not really.
2 days off.
Can you do the front walkover, Annie?
It doesn't matter. I'm just saying it's from the fireworks stuff.
Woo! Good job. Where are your shoes at? Because we'll never find them later. Wow! New move, new trick. Can you do that right? No, don't do that. Do that into a split. Uh-oh. She's going for it. Try again. It's okay. It's alright, Lena. Lena. Uh-oh. You alright? You alright? You alright?
Yeah, it was exactly.
It will. Looks close, right? Whoa. They're not gonna touch you, Mama. There's people right under them. The sky's not gonna burn. I remember going to the fairs and having the fireworks at the fair. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Does anyone think there'll be like an emoji or a heart or something today, or Saturn or something like that? Yeah, I think so.
See, I was right. A bunch of stars.
What about a smiley face, maybe?
Yeah. Those are clouds.
No, the smiley faces are at the end.
Towards the end, yeah. God bless the USA. And we're proud to be Americans. And we know that we are free.
Don't worry about it, Annie.
I love to be in America now.
'Cause that's where we are to be.
Don't worry about it, Annie.
God bless the USA. Pretty, pretty.
Someone's getting really close.
I promise it's not gonna get you.
All going really
It looks 3D.
close.
Kaylee used to try to touch them. You can't touch them, Lee. You can't touch them, Lee. You Can't get them, Lee.
Really dark on
They're really hot. They're much hotter than the sparkler. And we don't like that. So we stay from our way.
It's fire that has color.
Fire that has color. That's a good description, yeah. Pretty. I didn't see my favorites yet. I like that purple one though.
A flower.
Those look like limes. Wow. Moon. It's a sphere. Did you take pictures?
I took a bunch of them.
Any good ones? Erase the bad ones. My storage is full too. Ooh. Michaela, you should be able to take pictures.
Wait a minute.
No, there's no card in it, Allie. There's no memory card in it. No, just shut it off so you can see it in real life. It's better in real life. I'm just doing it for people who want to see. That not everyone sees these shows. They're not as lucky. So watch the show, Mama. Purple.
Explode. It's on long.
You guys are on the phone during the show. Pathetic. And you call yourself Americans. Oh, you take a picture with him.
No.
That's nice.
She wants you to do one for the year out.
Year out. Ooh. I'll never forget when I was pregnant with Kayla and she was kicking in my belly. We were watching this show on the side of the road. She couldn't get in here. What?
Was I here?
Nope, you weren't even conceived.
Here?
All right, Michaela. You saw an egg.
Where's the egg?
I don't know. You're asking. Oh, what's that? What's that, Saturn? Look, Granny. Oh, look! That is an egg. It's saying USA.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight
It's not a rotten egg.
It's a sculpture.
I know. The raccoons don't stink like that.
It stunk.
Smiley face emojis. Smiley. I don't know. Yeah.
The Grand Finale comes after they stop for a while.
Yeah, so this could be coming. Woo! Shout, Alina. Shout, Alina. Shout. Look how beautiful it is. It's the finale.
Vamos repando la calle.
That's it. Did you like it? I wouldn't want to be on the traffic line out though, that's for sure.
Huh?
That's why we walk. Said I wouldn't want to be on the traffic line of cars getting out of here. It's pretty, right? That's why you shouldn't be fighting and playing around. You should be watching the show. It doesn't last forever. Yeah, that's pretty, right?
Cars are leaving.
Kaylee used to be sleeping in the wagon, right? Almost sleeping on the way home.
Mommy chased me.
Yeah, right.
Daddy said I could play a little.
Go play. But just,
Chase me.
I can't chase you. I'll fall over. It's 80-something degrees out still.
I'll push it. I want to try to push it.
You can't pull her.
I want to try to push it.
Make sure we have everything, guys. Apparently, Allie can pull Annie, so. Michaela, you're gonna hurt her. You sure you have everything, right? Annie's getting carted off to the nearest
Shoes in there, right?
sleep study.
You put the shoes in there?
Yes, I put shoes in there. I told you to check everything.
I looked around. I don't see any on the ground. Michaela, look. You can see it.
Hope you enjoy the fireworks. Bye.
Okay, we got our Betty by head, and look,
Don't worry, baby. We'll get home soon.
Sissy Allie is pulling.
I'm your mother.
Oh, you're her mother?
Not.
I'm Grandma.
Your mother. I'm the sister.
You're the sister. That's
Go back to sleep. Yeah.
We're going down a hill. No, she's your twin. Wave bye.
Bye.
Baby Annie. You think you can push her?
600 years
600 years.
or more.
Why? Because you're Allie the Bull?
Yeah.
Show me the muscles. Let me see. Oh, that
I
could.
have a 8-pack.
You have not a 6-pack. You have an 8-pack. That's,
I counted hers. I counted mine. I have an 8-pack. She has an 8-pack.
she has an 8-pack too. Well, that could be.
Let's go. Hey.
All right, homeward bound. Walking has avoided us all this disaster. I don't see how ambulances get through here. This is a literal mess. The camera's going a little foggy there. What, Mama? What? Oh, he's got the spirit? Yeah, well, they're trying to get to the hospital for somebody. Let's hope they're okay. Look at this crowd. Hey. Everyone's honking, but where are you going to go? Honk, 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 honk. This is the not so fun part of seeing the fireworks. It's only okay for us because we're walking. The chaos and the aftermath of the fireworks extravaganza. Oh, baby. Can't believe Allie's still pulling you. She's going too slow. You're not the Queen of England, and she didn't even put her shoes back on. Oh, yeah, yeah. This is our crazy, crazy family signing out. July 2nd, 2017. Twin 7, Michaela 11, going on 16.
Allie, let me pull it.
And unmentioned Mom and Dad's age.
Huh?
You're a grand old flag. You're a high flying flag. And forever in peace may you wave. Forever love. The land I love. The whole world is gonna play. Every heart beats true. And the red, white, and blue. And it'll never go nor back. And all the acquaintance we forgot. Keep your eye on the grand old flag. may you wave.